I'm just a country boy. Where I come from didn't have no choice. Oh, but I've done well, or so I'm told. So baby, wear my watch, baby, sell my gold, and bury me in Bottomland with my grandpa's rifle in my hand. Lord, just take me as I am, and